What if I told you this EDC pouch completely replaced my wallet for an entire week? Most people use a Data Crew Large Fry as a gear pouch, but I decided to do something different. I ran this as my everyday carry wallet for my cards, ID, pen, pry, and knife. Here's what I learned. Hey, what's up guys? Mikey Messina here with Mikey Daily Carry, and this is the Data Crew Large Fry in Desert Olive X-Pac. And instead of tossing it into a bag or sling, I carried it daily in my pocket as my wallet. Now, normally, my go-to for at least the last month has been the Lost Dutchman Franklin wallet. Phenomenal wallet. So this is definitely larger than what I'm used to, but I wanted to see if the trade-off made sense. Now, real quick disclaimer, this pouch was sent to me by Data Crew. I've worked with Data Crew in the past, but they do not pay me, and they're not paying me for this video either. My thoughts are honest, real-world experiences. First, let's talk about how I loaded this thing out. Here's how I ran it as a wallet. As you can see here, there's a zipper that goes along this way and a zipper that goes along this way. On one side, I have my debit and credit cards. On the other side, I have my IDs. In addition to the side that I have my IDs in, I have stashed some chapstick, which fits right here and fills this space comfortably. Now on the back side, I do have a Big Idea Design Bolt Action Pen Baseline Edition in Stonewash Titanium. I also have right next to that Big Idea Design Pry Bar, which I have in here as well. On the front side, I have a new patch that they have there, which is a bit larger than the typical patches that I see Data Crew make, and I think it fits perfectly with the large fry. And in that pocket behind it, I have a small traditional pocket knife, and this right here is the Little Grand Nitro V by Kaiser. And that's exactly how I have it set up. In the zippered compartments, my IDs, my debit and credit cards, and then everything else handled my tools. Now, what stood out after a full week of using this? Well, first, what surprised me most is how intentional this setup felt. Instead of clipping a pen and a pry bar, loading my pockets out, or digging through a backpack or sling, I could just pull this one pouch out and everything I needed was right there. I'll show you here. I have it in my front pocket there, no bulge, as you can see here. And it comes out super easy. I could have even added a lanyard here to have as a grab point, but I don't even have to do that. There's a couple of videos out there on YouTube already, and I don't see many people using the large fry as a wallet. But if you're someone who wants fewer clips, less pocket chaos, faster access to your essentials, then this setup actually makes a lot of sense. Now, I'm not gonna sugarcoat it, but this is bigger than your traditional wallet, as you can see here. I'll give you some shots of that right now. So here's my honest recommendation if you want to try this out as a wallet. Stick to flatter EDC items. A flat knife, a flat pry, a slimmer pen, cards only in the zipper compartments, but no extras. And that chapstick right there fits perfectly. That keeps it from getting super bulky. It's more comfortable in your pocket. I'm a front pocket wallet carry type of guy. And if you're looking for more incognito than screaming EDC pouch, you want to keep it at that slimmer profile. For those of you that are just seeing the large fry for the first time, let's break down some real quick specs. This model is the large fry. It's the successor to the small fry, which they still make. This colorway is Desert Olive. The material of this is X-Pac. It's lightweight, durable, and water resistant. The zippers on here, which they also have on the zipper pulls, are YKK zippers, and it's a dual slip design with flexible internal carry. Now the use case is for a wallet replacement, your EDC pouch, or maybe you want to have it as a bag or sling organizer. It's rugged without being tactical loud, and that Desert Olive colorway is just top-notch for everyday carry. Now, who is this for? If you're happy with a minimalist wallet, this might feel like overkill, hit skip. But if you're someone who already carries a pen, a pry bar, a slim knife, and you want to consolidate everything into one option, this is a clean solution for you. The large fry works incredibly well. For me, it's a solid alternative when I want less clip gear and faster access. I mean, I'll show you again. This goes into my pocket, disappears. These, by the way, are the Hideout jeans by Off the Grid Surplus. I am also an affiliate for them. I'll have the links for all this in the description down below. The large fry, along with these jeans here. You know what I'm saying? Let me know in the comments though. Could you see yourself running a pouch as a wallet? As always, carry what you need, carry with purpose. I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Waka Pat.